Welcome to Jamaica. The sun is shining, the ocean is calling, but wait, how are you getting to your resort? Long taxi lines, overpriced rides, confusing shuttle schedules? That's not the way to start your vacation. Skip the hassle. With OAurum Transfers, your VIP airport pickup is waiting for you the moment you land. No waiting, no stress, just a seamless first-class experience from the airport to your destination. Luxury, comfort, and reliability, that's what we do best. Whether you're headed to Montego Bay, Negril, Ocho Rios, or Kingston, we ensure you arrive on time and in style. From five-star resorts to private villas, we provide direct, hassle-free transfers with professional, experienced chauffeurs. Your vacation starts the moment you land. Let us take care of the rest. Don't wait until the last minute. Book your VIP transfer now and experience the smoothest ride in Jamaica. Click the link below and travel stress-free. OAurum Transfers, where luxury meets reliability. Because your journey should be just as amazing as your destination.